What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm happy you decided to join us today. As you can see by that title down below, you guys, today we'll be reacting to how to make Pickle Pepsi at home for free. I'm gonna be honest. This is a strange one for me. This is a very strange one. Only because I never even thought to make Pickle Pepsi or even thought that I would like to taste it. But I do love pickles, you guys. I am a pickle lover. I'm more of a pickled Kool-Aid type of girl. You know, I love pickled Kool-Aids. Love them so much. But yeah, I will not be doing too much talking. Let's get into this video.
Hello YouTube, how you doing today, everybody?
Hi.
Listen, I'm going to do a video on how to make Pickle Pepsi at home.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to title it.
Okay.
I've seen a video about KFC making Pickle Pepsi, and the guy that was reviewing it, it was crazy. 2 pickles, little bit of Pepsi, which I'm going to show you how to do it at home for cheap. And the guy paid $3.99, almost $4 for it. What the hell? You could go home and make it for free.
Right.
And this is what I'm going to show you right now.
Okay.
I got my Pepsi.
Yes. Okay.
Glass.
Okay. I'm glad he's showing
pickle
us.
jars with pickles.
Okay.
What I'm going to do first is, I'm going to put the pickles in the jar first. That's what it was. Yeah.
Okay. The pickles aren't already in the jar? Oh, you're going to put it in the glass. You're going to put it in the glass. Okay.
There's one.
I got you. I'm following you. I'm following you.
Doesn't want to cooperate with me today.
They never want to.
There's 2.
Okay.
For down. Put the lid on the thing. This is very easy and cheap.
Okay.
I don't know what the hell KFC was ever thinking of. Like, what the heck,
good,
man? $4 for a thing that you could just make at home.
Right.
See? 2 pickles in a pickle jar. See?
In the pickle jar.
Oh, man. What the hell, man?
Oh, my
Pepsi.
God. You took them out the jar. They're in a cup. But I get it. I get it.
Oh, yes. I forgot one thing.
What did you forget?
Pickle brine. Right.
A pickle what? Pickle juice?
There you go. A little bit of that. See? This one's pickle brine with pickles in it.
Okay.
Same thing.
Same thing. Okay.
I'm not going to do the hot sauce thing today because it might mix it up. Stomach ain't feeling right.
Okay.
And I'm pouring in the Pepsi. Like they
First off, he is such a cutie. He is such a cutie. And I love how he's breaking this down for us. How many of you guys would make pickled Pepsi though? Is that a thing? Do you guys think it tastes good? Let me know. Or matter of fact, have you ever had it? I've never had it. I don't know if I want to try it though. I don't know. I'm a little iffy, y'all. I'm a little iffy, but we're going to continue to watch the video because he's such a cutie. So yeah, let's go.
Like they said, I don't have ice. I never use ice.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's fine.
There we go.
I love ice though, but
cheap
that's fine.
and easy. Now, obviously, the guy said on the video, oh, it tastes awful.
Okay.
Well, just wait. We're going to give that theory a theory. Okay. And you got that right. I'm going to taste it.
Wait, it doesn't need to sit overnight or nothing?
You know what? The guy was wrong. It tastes very darn good.
Oh, okay.
It does.
Okay.
I mean, I like it.
Okay, I believe you.
I mean, the taste is so sweet.
No way.
Buttery. Because I'm using butter pickles. Yeah, it's very good.
Is it?
I like it.
Okay. Okay.
But I would not spend $3.99 for a thing at KFC.
I'm with you.
Nah.
I'm with you.
They probably use old pickles and old brine. Whatever. I'm using some stuff anyways. So,
He's
you know,
a cutie.
this is pretty good.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God, it gotta be good. He drank the whole thing. You gonna eat the pickles too?
No, wizardry drink.
You gonna eat them? The pickles are still in there. I want to see you eat the pickle. Shimmy, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Now I'm going to eat the pickles.
Okay. Let's see. It's good?
Yep, very good.
Okay. Okay, good.
So if you don't want to spend $4.99, I mean $3.99, don't go to KFC and don't buy the pickle drink. Make it at home for cheap and free.
Right.
Thank you, YouTube. Oh yeah, by the way, cheers.
No, thank you. You're so awesome. Wow. I love the way he broke that down for us. I don't know. Would you guys try it? Would y'all try it? I don't know if I'll try it. I might see if one of my daughters will try it. I don't know. I don't think I'll try it though. I don't know. Like I said, I'm more of a like pickles and Kool-Aid type of girl. Like, I don't know. And then I do love pickles on like all my sandwiches. Love pickles. But I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys would try something like that. Again, I loved his video so much. I don't even think I was there for the recipe. I was more so there for him. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was a good video. Really, really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you guys did enjoy today's upload and my reaction to this, please make sure you guys are tapping that love button for me. It does let the algorithm know that you guys are enjoying my content and it pushes me up there with the rest of those YouTube sharks. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, it's about time. I think. Matter of fact, I know it's about time. So subscribe now, like right now. And then when you subscribe, do me a favor and go the extra mile, right? You gotta work a little hard for this. I ain't gonna lie. Gotta go the extra mile and just turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload a video. So you won't miss me and I won't miss you and we won't miss each other. And you know, I could keep talking to people and not myself because that's boring. And who wants to do that? I don't want to do that. Yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye. What a freaking cutie. Oh my gosh. I loved his video so much. And I loved it for him. Oh, he was such a cutie to me. And it literally felt like when I was reacting to the video, like it literally felt like I was talking to him and he was talking to me. Like, you know, because I felt like every time I was like, yeah, he'll be like, yeah, this. And it was like, it was so cool. Like, even after the reaction, I was like, wait, why did that feel like he was talking directly to me and I was talking directly to him? Like, it was just so crazy. It was crazy. But I know you guys know what I mean because, of course, if you're watching this part, you've seen the reaction already. So, yeah, you know what I mean. I love that video so much. I love this so much. We have to watch more of his videos. I'm not going to lie. I just loved him. But yeah, y'all. Yeah. Okay, I'm being extra now. I think I'm going to go. Yeah, I'm going to go. All right, love y'all. Bye.
It's Miaaaa, that girl you came to see. So grab your snack and just sit back, leave a comment in the chat. Whoa. It's Miaaaa, that girl you came to see. So grab your snack and just sit back, leave a comment in the chat.